In this video, I'll give you a step-by-step process on how to get started as a beginner with affiliate marketing. We're going to be going over where to find the best products to promote as well as the best promotion strategies. My goal is by the end of this video, you'll have enough actionable advice to get started affiliate marketing today. If we haven't met before, my name is Matt Diggity and I've been an affiliate marketer since 2009. And over the course of my career, I've been fortunate enough to make millions of dollars in affiliate commissions, which I'm extremely grateful for. And just so you know I'm not BSing you, here's a screenshot from one of my affiliate dashboards showing $20,800 commissions in the last 30 days. Here's another one clocking in at $13,800. And just to be honest, showing you these figures is super cringy. I hate talking about money. My point in showing you this is not to brag by any means. There's just a lot of fake gurus that like to talk the talk about affiliate marketing, but don't actually walk the walk. Trust me, you'll never see me filming videos in front of a Lambo. Coming from another angle, if you were to run a Google search for learn affiliate marketing, depending on which way the wind is blowing, you'll see me at #1 on Google for this keyword. So at least Google thinks I know what I'm talking about. Now before we start diving in, let's start to talk about why affiliate marketing is so damn attractive as a business model. First off, unlike starting an e-commerce business or selling products on Amazon, you're indeed selling products, but affiliate marketing doesn't require you to invest in inventory yourself. You don't have to worry about finding suppliers. You don't have to worry about return policies. You really don't have to do anything except get people interested in products. Second, which is related to the first point, you can essentially start for free. Aside from the small cost of building a website, which can be less than $100, the costs are negligible. And lastly, if you're an introvert like me, you'll appreciate this. The third benefit is that you don't have to manage customers. It's 100% possible to go about your day not talking to a single soul should you want to. So what actually is affiliate marketing? Now with affiliate, as you already know, you don't actually own any products, but instead you promote other companies' products and earn a commission fee for doing so. You're essentially a commission-only salesperson, except as mentioned, you don't actually talk to customers and everything is done online, on websites, passively. For example, let's say at your day job you repair air conditioning units. You're a freaking gangster at ACs and you know a lot about them. Let's say you make a recommendation on a particular air conditioning unit. That could be on your blog or in a social media like YouTube. When someone clicks your quote-unquote affiliate link, you'll earn a commission. Here's another example. If you were to Google best web hosting for SEO, you'll see my blog popping up at the top of Google. Opening up this article, you'll see I recommended a company called SiteGround. If someone clicks this link and uses their service, I'll earn some money. But real quick, if I could just say something about affiliate marketing, you really only want to promote products that you'd want to attach your name to. A lot of people will promote products just because they have high commission rates. Bluehost. I recommend only promoting products that you'd be proud to share with your audience. For example, I use SiteGround. I have sites hosted with SiteGround, and I know my audience will have no issues with it. So now that you know what affiliate marketing actually is, let's start to dig into how to get started. There's basically 4 steps that beginners should take when getting started with affiliate. First, you want to join an affiliate network. Then you want to find a product to promote. After that, you get a hold of your special affiliate links. And then you start getting traffic to those links so you can start earning commissions. We're going to go over all these steps one by one in this video so you can get started today. Now, as you know, affiliate marketing involves promoting products that you don't own but you believe in, and you believe that your audience would enjoy. The great thing is that most products and services on the internet have affiliate programs. All you need to do is look. For example, I'm a big fan of the work, productivity, and organization app Asana. If you simply Google Asana affiliate program, right away you'll see that they do indeed have an affiliate program. And if you open this link, you'll eventually get taken to an application form. It's really as easy as that. But for beginners, I highly recommend joining what's known as an affiliate network. Affiliate networks are essentially platforms where you can log in and browse hundreds of different affiliate programs in a single place. As a beginner, you're better off digging around and spending a little time to find the optimal affiliate program in your specific niche. Networks are perfect for browsing. There's tons of great affiliate networks, and I'll be demoing 3 right now: ShareSale, Amazon Associates, and FanFuel. ShareSale has been around since the year 2000 and has over 4,000 different affiliate offers in different categories. The commission rates range from 5% all the way up to 50%. I've personally been using ShareSale since 2015 and have been earning a solid 2 to 5K per month from them consistently. To apply to ShareSale, you need to click the sign up button here at the top and then make sure you select affiliate sign up. Then you just create a username and password and you're in. Finding products to promote on ShareSale is super easy. You can find specific merchants by searching for them up here in the keyword search bar. And you can also browse by niche by digging into these categories here in the sidebar or using the logos at the top. Just browsing through the automotive category, you can see tons of affiliate programs for auto parts, car covers, radar detectors, motorcycle helmets, tires. They literally have everything. I'll open up the listing for Lux Auto Mats. The software is pretty damn good. I'll explain what I'm looking at here. So down here in the description, they explain that they sell custom-made car mats. There's a link to their website over here on the left. And just a quick scan of their homepage shows that yes, indeed, they do look legit. Up here at the top, it shows that they offer a 22% commission rate. So if you sell something worth $200, you're making $44. EPC stands for earnings per click. This means that if you got 10 clicks to this offer, you can expect to make $960. Another bit of information is their 90-day cookie. The way affiliate links work is when they're clicked, they store a cookie on the browser of whoever clicked that link. That way, the system knows that you should get credit if they should buy these car mats. A 90-day cookie means that when someone clicks your link, they could literally go on an 89-day holiday, come back and buy your mats and you'd still get credit. I'll tell you straight up that a 90-day cookie is damn good. So let's say you wanted to promote these car mats. Click on Join Program up here at the top. Now on this form, you want to type in where you'll actually be promoting them. Maybe you've got a Car Geek Instagram, or maybe you have a blog talking about car stuff, which is what I do. Now don't worry, I'll be showing you how to create a blog later. So maybe you're not a car person. Maybe you're into dogs or fitness. How do you figure out which niche is the best to dive into? My first recommendation is to choose the niche that people are passionate about. When people are passionate about something, they're talking about it more, searching for solutions more, and more easily open up their wallets to get those solutions. For example, people are super passionate about their dogs, but massage guns, I guess it depends on who you ask. My second recommendation is to choose the niche with products that sell for at least $50. Remember, you're getting a percentage of the sale price of the product. If you're selling $10 yoga mats, you're going to be making less than $1 for each one you sell. That's why something like the fitness niche, where people are taking expensive supplements, is way better than the yoga niche, even though they're very similar. Digital products such as online courses are also great to promote. Since it doesn't actually cost anything to add a new student to a course makers' profit margins are huge. And because of this, you're typically getting higher commission rates all the way up to 50%. Software as a service products such as online tools are also great because you can get recurring commissions. This means you get paid out every single month that your referring customer stays with that service. I'm sure you can see how this really starts to stack up. Now there's a lot that goes into niche selection, so I left a link in the description to a full video on it. So make sure to check it out after you watch this video. Once you get into your affiliate program, you want to go to the program's Get Links page and copy the merchant default link. This is your special affiliate link that ShareSale uses to track and give you credit for all your referred purchases. If someone clicks this and buys something, you make money. Easy breezy. Next up on our list of beginner-friendly affiliate programs would be Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates has a few benefits that make it stand out for beginners. The big one is that everything you can find on Amazon is promotable. If Amazon sells it, then you can promote it and earn a commission on it. And you already know just how vast Amazon's catalog is. If you want to promote dog toys or laptops, you can do both on Amazon. The side benefit is that let's say your blog about dogs gets someone to click on an affiliate link to a dog toy, but that person decides, hell, let's buy a laptop today too. You get commissions on everything they buy within that 24-hour cookie. Here's a screenshot of my 30-day Amazon earnings, which is decent, but a lot lower than what you'd find in my other network dashboards. There's a reason for this, and I'll talk about it more later. To sign up with Amazon Associates, you want to head over to the main Associates landing page and click Sign Up at the top. Then start filling out your name and payment information. Step 2 is important because you need to fill out where exactly you plan to promote them. At this point, I'll just type in the blog that I'm using to promote their products, but in case you don't have a blog yet, you can always just put in a YouTube channel or a Facebook page, which can take minutes to create. When you're done, you wait for a couple days for approval. Here's an important point. Once you're in the Amazon Associates program, you have 3 months to make 3 sales in order to remain in their program. That shouldn't be hard, and we'll get to that later as well. To find your special affiliate links on Amazon is super simple. When you're logged in, just go to any product that you want to promote, and you'll notice a new Amazon Associates header up here at the top. Click on the text button here under Get Link, and it will create your affiliate link for you. You'll also get an option for creating an image link, which you can place on your blog. It's super easy. Now, as I touched upon earlier, I personally don't make much money with Amazon, and that's because of their low commission rates. Here's a screenshot of Amazon's latest fee schedule. As you can see, these commission rates are quite minimal, especially compared to the 50% rates from ShareSale. For example, if you sold a vacuum cleaner for $100, you'd only be making $3 with that measly 3% commission rate. You're not going to get rich on Amazon Associates unless you're selling a lot of products or a lot of expensive products. Amazon still has its place for beginners because you can promote anything you can find in their whole catalog, but as you can see, it has its downsides. Let me show you a better way to find niche-specific affiliate partnerships. Let's say you're really into weightlifting, going to the gym. You're a gym bro. There's networks dedicated to specific niches like FanFuel. FanFuel has pretty much every supplement you'd want to promote in the health and fitness space. Fat burners, weight loss pills, testosterone boosters, nootropics, anti-aging products, they have all of it. And if you scroll down here to their weight loss products, you'll see commission rates of 40, 50, and 60%. And that's why my FanFuel earnings dashboard shows much more revenue than Amazon, simply because of their better commission rates and better optimized sales pages where I'm sending my traffic to. Now, the point I wanted to make by showing you multiple networks is that there's a lot of options when it comes to affiliate marketing, and you really want to shop around before settling on a network. Anyways, to sign up to FanFuel, use the link in the description and I'll earn a small commission. Oh my god, there it was. Affiliate marketing in action. It's as easy as that.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
So now that you've selected a product to promote, let's start to talk about your different options for promoting that product. How much money you make is ultimately determined by your conversion rate multiplied by how much traffic you get to your offers. Conversion rate has to do with how well you sell your offers. Maybe that's in the form of an in-depth review on your blog, or you made a YouTube video. We'll touch upon that stuff later, but for now let's focus on your different options for traffic. When people think of affiliate marketing, paid traffic comes to mind. That is, paying for ads on Google or Facebook to generate traffic to web pages that have your affiliate links. Here's an example of what that looks like. If you Google cheap web hosting, you'll see all these listings up here at the top with the ad tag next to them. The one at the very top, top10.com, is an affiliate website. If you open this bad boy up, lo and behold, there's a bunch of affiliate links here. The upside to paid ads is scalability. If every time you pay $10 in ads, you can get an affiliate sale that makes you $15, then you just made yourself a $5 profit. Now why not keep scaling this and pay $1,000, $10,000, $100,000 per month on ads? Unfortunately, there's some cons to paid ads as well. First, you have diminishing returns. When you spend too much money, you end up spamming the same ads in front of the same people over and over again. Second, I don't feel like paid ads is the right approach for beginners. When you're a beginner, you don't have cash flow, and you want a cheaper option for experimentation. Now that's not to say I don't like paid ads. I run them myself, but that's because I'm already profitable with the organic traffic route. The next option is free organic traffic, and that's going to come from various places like social media or search engines like Google. Here's what I mean by Google traffic. When we Googled cheap web hosting, if you were to scroll down past the ads, you start to see the organic Google results. These guys are getting free organic traffic from Google. Now on the social media side of things, I truly believe that the best platform for affiliate marketing is YouTube. YouTube is crazy. It's the only platform that really helps you grow your audience and pays you at the same time. It's also the second biggest search engine in the world, second to Google that is. It also converts really well. I can say that from experience. Now there's some cons to YouTube, of course. If you're shy, you're obviously not going to like making videos yourself. Trust me though, I'm an introvert. It's a learned skill and you can definitely get over your shyness. And at the end of the day, I can just edit these videos and remove the billion stutters you guys don't see in the final cut. But let's say that you do actually find someone to make videos instead of you. It's a bit risky to base your business on the employment of a key person. If that person leaves, what are you left with? Also, as you can see, I'm invested in YouTube as well. I'm making videos and growing my channel. But I'd be lying if I said I was 100% comfortable putting all this investment into a platform that I have no control over. Channels get shut down all the time. Another option is Instagram. Once you hit 10,000 followers, you unlock the ability to have your audience swipe up on your stories. This allows you to bring more eyeballs to your affiliate links. Separately, you can also add links to your bio. There's TikTok as well, and I personally don't have any experience with TikTok except trying to pull off meme dance videos, but I heard it converts well. Now I touched upon this before, hands down the best place to promote affiliate links is from a blog. Even if you went the social media route, you still want a place to send people that has your affiliate links. For example, I have a page here with all my recommended products and services I use. But in my opinion, after trying all the different ways to get traffic, having a website that gets traffic from Google is the absolute superior route. The traffic you get from Google converts like crazy. If someone searches for best wireless router, they're super ready to buy a wireless router. If you come up first, then you're likely to get massive conversions. You also get to leverage Google, the biggest search engine in the world. Nothing can deliver traffic like Google does. And lastly, you get to own the asset. It's your website. It's not like it's a Twitter or Instagram account that can get banned at any time. Because of this, it's more stable. Going back to diggitymarketing.com, this is a website that I built based on my personal brand, which focuses on both affiliate marketing and SEO. And on my site, you'll find articles like this one where I review various softwares and of course, include affiliate links for my recommendations. But you don't need to have a personal brand or even use your face whatsoever when you're creating an affiliate website. You can be completely anonymous, which is a huge advantage that website affiliate marketing has over social media. Here's an example of a blog called House and Beyond, which focuses on the home improvement niche. There's basically two different types of content that you can post on affiliate websites that are most effective. First, you have what are called roundup reviews. These are your top 5, 5, 10, whatever list. Like this top 6 list of the best bronze shavers. With this kind of review, you're giving your recommendation on multiple products in the same category and ranking them. These convert really well and typically have a high volume of traffic. Then we have single product reviews, like this review of these Nest bedding bamboo sheets. With this approach, you're just reviewing a single product and recommending it or not. And of course, it's chock full of affiliate links. The thing is, while these web pages indeed look nice, they're really not hard to create given the technology that we have today. There's drag and drop page builders that can craft something like this up in minutes, and I'll start to dig into that too. Before that though, another way you can do affiliate marketing is through emails. But again, this is a great option if you have a website that can get people to sign up to your newsletter to stay up to date on your new content. You can also create quote-unquote lead magnets that encourage people to exchange their email addresses for something like a PDF guide of exclusive content. With the email approach, you typically start by sending a bunch of value-packed emails. And then once you build rapport with your subscriber, then you can start to send links to your favorite products. One of the most famous and successful email newsletters is The Morning Brew. And if you're into investing, my favorite newsletter is from investing.io. So I've talked a lot about websites and how they're my favorite medium for affiliate marketing. Let me give you a brief tour on how easy it is to actually create a website. Your first step in creating a website is to get some hosting. Your website needs a place to live, a place for all its images and text to be stored and displayed from. And that's what a host does for you. For beginners, my favorite low-cost host is SiteGround. To start with them, go ahead and head on over to their hosting page by using the link in the description. That will earn me a small commission, which will help to support the channel. Get the startup plan, which has a nice discount and is perfect for a beginner's website. At this point, it's going to ask you if you want to register a new domain or if you already have a domain. Your domain is the name of your website, so as a beginner, you probably don't already have a domain, so let's register a new one. For purposes of illustration, I'll create Biohackerly as an example website for the biohacker niche. Next, you want to start filling the stuff out. For the data center, if you're not targeting a specific country in their language, go ahead and choose the US here. That'll make sure that your server is close to the US, which has the highest search traffic. Other than that, all the defaults are fine, so go ahead and pay now. Now, go into the SiteGround dashboard under the website tab and you'll find your site. Select complete here. On the next page, just click continue, then start a new website. And from here, select WordPress. WordPress is the industry standard content management system that is going to allow you to add new content to your blog on easy mode. Then just type in what username and password you want to log into your site. It takes about 2 minutes and you'll be taken to the screen. This is a step-by-step WordPress starter walkthrough, another benefit of using SiteGround. Go ahead and click Start Now. Here's where you select your blog's theme. It's the basic layout and design of your blog. I like this minimum one here, so let's just go with that one. You can select some extra features on the screen, but for an affiliate blog, you really only need a contact form. Now your blog is being built from the ground up. Bam, we're done. Click on View Site to see what it looks like. Alright, not bad, but you definitely need to customize it. To do that, you just go right up here to the Edit Page button. And right here, you can just start editing the text you see straight away. For example, the first thing you want to do is change the title. Eventually, you're going to want to start creating review posts to review your affiliate products. To do that, from your WordPress dashboard, simply click on New Post. Here you'll find a simple editor that will let you add in new content as well as images and of course affiliate links so you can monetize your review. Now that you started your blog, at this point you need to start thinking about traffic. How are you going to get people from Google over to your blog? This is what SEO, search engine optimization, is all about. Now, the complete strategy for SEO is beyond the scope of this video, but I can say that there is indeed a repeatable process to it. To get started, I have 2 options for you. First, check out my SEO beginner guide playlist for some free videos on some of the core essentials to SEO. I've left a link in the description. And if you want a deeper dive, check out my course, The Affiliate Lab, which lays out my exact blueprint for the SEO and affiliate marketing career path.